Hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And look, I've been kind of, we've been rocking on Tesla for quite a while in the premium site here as a member. You know this. And so there have been a few different buy points here. This is the one where I really started tracking it. And we've been taking a couple profits along the way. And today I just suggested to everybody, just go ahead and book the rest of your profits. What I'm not doing is I'm not predicting this kind of move. However, I am telling you that this is certainly a possibility because this was a big old parabolic move. And the trick to these is that they tend to go up farther than you think they will. I've seen a lot of people lose a lot of money shorting rocket ships, just looking at a stock saying, oh, and this is one of them. Probably the biggest offender, or I should say the biggest bear killer is right here. People short this stock because it's going parabolic and they say, you know what? It can't keep going. I'm going to go ahead and short this stock. This is how I'm going to make up for a year of crappy trading. And it doesn't happen because the issue is this. When a stock is in such demand, okay, there's a lot of buyers. There's a lot of buyers underneath. They keep bidding the stock up, and the sellers keep kind of lifting their offers like, oh, I'll sell it for 1,000. And then pretty soon it's like, well, you know what, maybe 1,010. Maybe I won't sell it. Maybe I'll just hang on to it. So the buyers keep going, right? But then here's what happens too. This is a double your fund thing. So you've got buyers underneath wanting the stock, and then you've got short sellers who say, hey, I'm going to sell the stock short, and then I'll buy it back when it falls to a lower price. So when they do that, that puts them in the same camp as the buyers who just want to buy the stock. And so what happens is, you've got short sellers that are pissed off because they did the wrong thing at the wrong time. Even though they know they're right, they're also losing a lot of money. So you got short sellers competing with natural buyers to buy the stock. The natural buyers are the ones that truly want to own the stock. They're opening a position. The natural sellers are those that literally want to ditch the stock to buy it back so they can get out of the trade. So the dynamics are completely different. But what really rules the day on this is just trader psychology. And right now, I think it was either JP Morgan or Morgan Stanley who raised it's like they're competing now with each other. Somebody raised it to 1,200 and another, to 1,350. I'll give you I'll go to the top of the street. I'll say 1,500 is my price target on this stock. Why is it 1,500? I don't know. It just kind of popped into my head. It's not a real estimate, but sure, I'll be the guy that's at the top of the street. The issue here is not what some analyst says the price target is or what the fundamentals of the company justify. It's just crowd psychology, and that gets me back to here. So crowd psychology is buy it. Okay, then maybe we'll take a little bit of profit here and then buy it all the way up to today. And then at some point in the morning here, the stock started rolling over. And that's when it's not like, oh, I think the stock is going down. That's not why I said sell it. It's really a point of, I just don't think the stock's going to continue to go higher. These are two totally different things. I think the stock is going to go down. That's kind of a prediction, and it's one where you're going against the grain. You're being a contrarian, and that's fine if the crowd turns out to be wrong or fickle or they're done. I think it's going down. But I think the better analysis certainly on this is, I'm just not sure how much more reward there is in this trade from where it is right now. Maybe I need to book this big profit and pat myself on the back for being right about this. I need to be happy about this trade. And then the money that I'm making will either go back into Tesla when it sets up again, or maybe it'll just go into another stock. I mean, money's money. It doesn't matter where you get it, how you make it, what stock you buy. You just want more of it. It's actually pretty simple. Okay, so anyway, we're done with Tesla for a while. Now I'll just wait for it to reset. All right, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, Stock Market Mentor, and I do expect you, if you're not a member, I do expect you to at least try the free trial. Who knows? You may like it.